domestic violence.
Ah, what up, sir? I'm talking something. Ah, well.
Anditombo mukangani.
Are you 18 March 2003.
2003. Uchakapora ine chigunu.
But akutori mara.
Ichi. Andruona. Yeah, all right.
Okay. These cases, are you targeting G40 group is some people are saying?
First of all, can I correct you? I'm the chairman of the investigations committee, not chairman of ZAC. It's very important. We're not targeting any member of G40 because we don't know of any factions. We are following the evidence and the complaints from members of the public about what happened. So the evidence here in the case of these two ministers is very clear. Government assets were disposed of outside the rules of government. For example, we're talking about the big screen television sets which are worth more than $10,000 each, total value $2 million. They were disposed of without a government authority. 2, Assets were bought, were donated to government, and these assets were sold and disposed and given to people outside government regulations. That is the matter that we have in the case of one minister. The other minister, this minister gave a directive to one of his parastatals to give a contract to people. First of all, they never went to tender. Secondly, there's no work that they did. And we have evidence to prove that it was just a simple case of giving people that are their friends money, and that's why these ministers are in court. It has nothing to do with any faction. Okay. We are following the evidence.
What about these reports of Grace Mugabe's degree and also her children being accused of smuggling gold, etc.?
First of all, we must be very honest. We've received a complaint from the university, the sociology department lecturers. They have made allegations, and Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission is investigating those things. And when we finish the investigations, we'll do what we are supposed to do in terms of the law. If anybody falsified anything, you'll see them coming to court, like these two ministers today.
Even the former First Lady?
We have not yet investigated. The people who misrepresented to the university, the people who misrepresented to the whole nation about that whole degree thing, we are going to investigate the matter and follow the law.
Should have been done. No, the accused person was granted bail in the tune of $400, and also with other attached conditions whereby he has to report every Friday at the Broadwell police station. Furthermore, that he resides at the given address and that he surrenders his passport. So the matter has been remanded to the 22nd of January, where we are going to make an application for exception to the charge, because the charges that my client is facing are really ridiculous charges. These are charges whereby they are saying that he donated to UFI and also to PhD churches and also to the Zion Christian Church of Bishop Mtendi some television screens, those that were used during the World Cup period. They are saying that they were supposed to having been rotten at the ministry. Secondly, also in terms of the charge, they are saying that the donation should have been done consistency of his role and duties. But at that material time, I understand that my client innovated a new concept of religious tourism, the one that he was trying to promote around our local prophets, to which the inconsistency of his duty, of his duties cannot be found out of such an allegation. So we are waiting on the 27th, when we are going on the 22nd, when we are going to make an application for exception to the charge. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
later. Okay, thank you. Congratulations, doctor.
Yeah, all right.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, take care. Thank you.
All right. Kamana zvendiri akana kuuya kuChinhunda. Akana kuuya kuChinhunda. Honorable.